In this video, I'm going to show you my personal style and opinion on HLBZ, exactly where to expect the price to go and all the good stuff. So let's get right into the video. Just by looking at this past week, we can see that the past 2 weeks have been delivering very bearish. Overall, this past week has been 31% down. Like just one third of the stocks value went like that in a matter of a week. That's the week prior there was around half of that, so 15% down. And yeah, it's pretty not so great, right? Weekly time frame never broke up, so that's one thing. 3 month chart, the 3 day chart actually, has actually been very good. So after that break, I'm generally expecting upside moves from right here, hypothetically. But if we break the lows at one like 0.1105, again we understand the reason because of the whole bearish trend and whatnot. So I'm still going to stick by my predictions right here, and they're looking something like this. So I'm generally bullish on HLBZ, at least from a demand area like that. But again, we have to confirm it. We're not gonna well like that and just be bullish, right? We're gonna have to confirm it, but overall, how we're gonna confirm it with a break up of a range for right now, we're just tapping into it. This is just a outlook, right? Overall, do your own due diligence. See you.